How to view your Instacart digital receipt. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to instacart.com and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, you'll find all these options. Here, click on your orders. Then, select the order you want to review. After that, tap on Receipt. Scroll to view itemized charges and check for delivery service fees listed. After that, you can open your email for the receipt copy. And if you don't see Instacart emails, you can also check your spam folders and emails. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to view your Instacart digital receipt. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.